Household items flashcards. Living room. Sofa. Sofa. A comfortable piece of furniture for sitting or lounging. Coffee table. Coffee table. A low table placed in front of the sofa for drinks and magazines. Television. Television. An electronic device for watching programs and movies. Bookshelf. Bookshelf. A piece of furniture for storing books. Lamp. Lamp. A source of light in the room. Rug. Rug. A decorative covering for the floor. Remote control. Remote control. A device for controlling the TV. Painting. Painting. A piece of art hung on the wall. Plant. Plant. A living decoration in a pot. Kitchen. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. An appliance for keeping food cold. Stove. Stove. A device for cooking food. Sink. Sink. A basin for washing dishes. Microwave. Microwave. An appliance for heating food quickly. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. A machine for washing dishes. Table. Table. A surface for dining. Chairs. Chairs. Seats for sitting at the table. Cabinet. Cabinet. Storage space for dishes and kitchen items. Utensils. Utensils. Tools used for cooking, like knives and spoons. Pots and pans. Pots and pans. Cookware for preparing meals. Bathroom. Bathtub. Bathtub. A container for bathing. Toilet. Toilet. A fixture for waste disposal. Sink. Sink. A basin for washing hands and face. Mirror. Mirror. A reflective surface for grooming. Shower. Shower. A device for bathing with flowing water. Towel. Towel. A cloth for drying off after bathing. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. A tool for cleaning teeth. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. A substance used with a toothbrush for cleaning teeth. Shampoo. Shampoo. A liquid for washing hair. Soap. Soap. A cleansing agent for the body. Bedroom. Bed. Bed. A piece of furniture for sleeping. Pillow. Pillow. A cushion for supporting the head while sleeping. Blanket. Blanket. A covering for warmth during sleep. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. A piece of furniture for storing clothes. Dresser. Dresser. A furniture item with drawers for clothing. Nightstand. Nightstand. A small table next to the bed. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. A small table next to the bed.